today we are doing a 5-minute daily ab workout for women over 50. Hey, so here I am with a guest today. So this is Chrissy Lundgren, who's a celebrity trainer. I love Chrissy. She came and taught, or comes to teach, Pilates on my retreats, on my residential retreats.
So much fun.
And everybody loves her, and she's so brilliant at not freaking people out. That's all I'm gonna say. So, I asked Chrissy if she would come along and teach all of us at home a 5-minute, because that's the time we generally have and can put aside, ab sort of, I was gonna say like belly fat blasting workout, but I want to make a little caveat here.
Sure.
Because as you know, Chrissy, I'm a nutritionist, yes, and I'm a holistic nutritionist.
Which is the best, yes.
Thank you. And one of the things that I want to make real clear from the top of this video, and hopefully you'll agree with me, you haven't even discussed this,
I know.
but you can do any amount of ab crunches and ab blasting, anything, but if the other pieces aren't in place, you're not eating a really healthy diet, and there's a lot of other things for older ladies that come into play, such as hormonal imbalance. Please check out some of my other videos. I've done a lot in the kind of over 50 series. But so what I don't want you to do at home is think, well, I'm never gonna get rid of it, no matter how many crunches you do, because you're getting that muscle, but it's underneath.
Yes.
Correct?
Yeah.
This layer of, fat that is sometimes, a little challenging,
yeah,
to move.
Yes.
But from a health perspective, I know through trial and error that having strong abdominal muscles is really important as we get older.
It is, yes,
right? Because it's
yes,
for our back.
I was gonna say, the core technically just isn't just the abs section, it is your back as well. So you do wanna focus on the core,
yeah,
what everyone calls the abs, and then your back as well.
Right.
So that you have to make certain that is strong. Good for balance,
yes,
for bone stability, yeah. But just like you were gonna say, nutrition is huge.
Yes.
Yes. Abs are made technically in the kitchen.
I love that. Abs are made in the kitchen.
Yes.
Exactly.
Yeah.
It's very, very true.
Yeah, you whip up some abs. Yeah.
I know. Because I get so sort of tired when I see all those kind of, at the checkout stand, flat abs in 3 weeks, and you think, and I know, because I've been at this for a few years now, that, it's not just one thing. You can't eat your way in 3 weeks to flat abs, and you sure as heck can't
crunch your way?
Crunch your way to them. But anyway, so this is useful. Let's jump into it. What I asked Chrissy to show me and to show you, my beautiful community, is 5 minutes that we can all do safely every morning. And when I say safely, Chrissy, I have neck issues.
Okay.
So I've had them for a while. So for me, that prohibits me from doing these crazy crunches.
Right.
When somebody's done that with me, I kind of hurt my neck. And I just want to I really play on the side of being very cautious with everything.
Okay.
Because I don't want to walk around with a stiff neck and a bad back.
Right.
So for me,
you want to take care of your neck.
yeah, and
okay,
I want everybody else to as well.
We want you guys to as well.
Yeah, great. So can we get going?
Yes. Let's have you lie on down on the ground.
Yes. Oh, I'm a little nervous about this.
So you're gonna lie all the way down. So everyone at home, if you do have a tension band, it doesn't have to be like hard. You can do any tension band, but grab one of these. These are really nice for you to have at home, vacation,
Yes,
anywhere you
I
go.
love those.
It's right. You can do arms, you can do legs, you can do everything with it. But we're gonna focus on the abs today.
Yes.
So the number one thing, even if you're lying here on your mat, all I want you to do, I want you to separate your knees. So I want you to go hip width apart with your knees.
Yeah.
You're going to take your heels.
Yeah.
And you're going to drive them into the floor.
Okay.
So now already you're making a foundation, and already you're engaging
totally.
Yes.
My low back
Yes.
just claps
right?
onto the floor. Yeah.
So now you're engaging your lower abs automatically.
Great.
So this is perfect, right? So now I want you to scoot your heels. No, you're actually perfect. So it's going to be hip width apart.
Yeah.
You're going to have your heels. You can take them back a little bit so your knees very
Like
comfortable. The other way, right to
Oh,
your
there.
glutes. Yep.
Okay.
And then keeping that space.
Yeah.
You're going to tuck your ab under. So you're going to put your pelvis to the ceiling.
Yeah.
And then these little guys.
Yeah.
You know, the two top
Yes.
ends that we all can feel.
Yeah.
I want you to take those and crunch them.
Oh,
Right?
wow. Now I'm fully engaged.
Now you're
here.
completely engaged.
Yeah.
So now all I want to do is lift up your arms directly in front of you.
Yeah.
And now I'm going to lift up your knees right to the ceiling, and you're going to hold right here. So now you're engaging. Now I want you to make sure your spine from your head all the way down in the middle into your butt is all the way on the floor. So you feel it?
Yeah.
Now I want you to tighten up.
Yeah.
And you can actually just hold this for like 30 seconds.
Wow.
That's
I mean,
the
this is
nervous, right?
amazing, Chrissy. I'm like feeling my whole core like working just by doing this.
Yeah. It's you're engaging, you're holding everything down. So if you want to add a little bit to that, this is where that tension band comes in. You're going to place this tension band right around your toes or your feet. Now you pull that tension right there. So flex your feet out. Good. So now all you're going to do is you're going to extend one leg while drawing the other leg into your chest.
Okay, so like that.
Exactly. Just like you were going to ride a bike, you're just doing this, and now keeping your spine on the ground, and then holding your lower.
Oh my God,
and
it's
upper.
that rib, it's those low ribs
Right.
that just suddenly the whole thing, I can feel my core on fire when
Right.
I'm drawing those down. Wow.
And it's all of it. I mean, it's literally engaging every single ab in your abdomen.
Yes.
And you are not doing a crunch.
Oh
You're
my
not hurting
gosh.
your neck. You're not having to come
Chrissy,
up.
I'm obsessed.
Right? Isn't
I'm
this
going to do this
fantastic?
every single morning from now on.
This is really, really good. So
My
now-
husband will walk into the living room and I'm going to be doing this.
Now you can just hold one out there. So hold
Yeah.
for like 5 seconds. This is also going to get in there. So this is another really, really good one. So do kind of like a, do one no band, do a band, do a little
Yeah.
mic, and then just hold. That's going to be number one.
And now it's hurting. And now it's
Right, and then
hurting.
switch.
And now it's hurting. So am I switching sides?
Yes, you can
Chrissy?
switch that side.
Okay.
Good. And again, remember, top two abs tucked in, pelvis tucked in, spine on the floor, neck relaxed, shoulders relaxed. All you're just doing is holding the hands up there.
And Chrissy, if somebody has a really tight neck, because I know some ladies that I teach you yoga to will kind of be like that, would you suggest putting a little blanket underneath their head?
Yes, you can roll a little towel.
A little towel.
Right underneath your neck. Yeah, just get that extra support. How are you doing over here?
It's pretty
It's pretty good. Okay. You can take your knees right into your chest.
Okay.
I'm going to take this off for another. So another one now, just get into the lower abs. You're going to relax your arms. So arms and shoulders will be on the floor.
Yeah.
Take your knees back up right here. So now you're going to do the bike, but you're going to hit the ground.
Okay.
So you're going to extend one leg all the way down to the ground. Good.
Heel to the ground.
Heel to the ground,
Yeah.
and then retract it, and then pick it up, and then the other one comes out. Now this one might hurt some if you have bad hips. So if you do have bad hips and then you start popping, just go a little bit higher.
So you'll
So
go
you don't
like
have
that.
to take it, yes.
Okay.
And it has nothing to do, you're still getting the lower ab. All you're doing is just making it work for your body, because it's so important that you listen to what clicks and what works with you. So that's a really, really nice one, right?
I love these, Chrissy, because they're so simple.
Right.
And it just takes the whole kind of fear of like, I've got to do all these crazy crunches. And this, I'm telling you, I am really feeling this.
Yeah, by far.
Okay, so how many of these would we do?
I would start, go the lighter you can, and then gradually go up.
So maybe like 20.
I was gonna say, yeah, go even like 20 seconds, and then go to 30, or go to 40, and then maybe build up to a minute. But you do what's good for you, but do 20.
Okay,
Start
great.
with, yeah. So take that all the way up, and now, like I said before, to roll on your tummy.
We're rolling on my tongue.
You're gonna roll on your tummy.
What I love about these, Chrissy, is that every morning I can do these as soon as I wake up. I do a little bit of yoga, but I can do it as soon as I wake up, because you don't have to be warm. You are warming up by doing it.
Yeah, you really, really are.
Which is great. Okay, what are we doing next?
So, like I said before, what's very important is our core, but that doesn't just mean the abs, it means your back as well. So, I want to have you have your hands, take your hands right into your head. You're going to place your head on top of your hands.
Like that?
Yeah.
Okay.
Again, some people, this might hurt if you don't have the shoulder mobility for it. And then if that happens, you can definitely put your hands behind your back and hold it there. So it's depending on your body. So all you're going to do is lift up gently. Yep, lift up your head gently. And you're going to hold for 2 beats and then come on down and relax. Yep, and then come right back up. These are called, they're called Supermans, but we're going to call them Wonder Womans.
Yeah, I love Wonder Woman. Yeah.
Right?
Yeah, I can go with that.
So although you think this is not your abs, this is honestly giving you great strength in your abdomen.
Wow.
Doesn't that feel great?
Yeah.
So
I would have never thought this. I can feel like a little bit of strength in my back, but I primarily feel it in my core.
Right, yeah. And if you want to add now, you can keep on going that and then lift up your legs just gently.
Both of them?
You can do 1 or 2 at the same time. So if you can get your thighs up off the ground as well. There we go. Yep. And then bring it all the way down. Nice. Up. Good. And now you're adding your glutes as well, which is also
a little bonus.
Yeah, it's a huge bonus, and you're getting your hamstrings as well. How does that feel?
It feels fantastic. It's challenging, but it feels really safe and really good.
So now let's roll on over again. So that's number 2.
Am I still on my belly?
No, come on over here.
Yeah.
You can roll on your back again.
On my back,
yes. Sorry, I'm flipping you around a lot today.
I don't mind.
This is also getting your cardio,
loving
right?
it.
Little
Loving
cardio
it.
during
Yeah.
So now you're gonna lie on your back. Now, if you don't want to do anything with your head, you're just gonna keep it really supported here. I'm going to take one knee up here, and then I want you to go in to the shoulder, and then taking it out to the other, so your chest to your shoulder.
Yeah.
So chest, and then to your shoulder. So now this is getting your oblique. So you're going to take it in right here, good, up, and then take it out. So you're going to go
in
one chest, and then roll it out.
And then out.
Yes.
And then you go out each time.
Then you go
so
out,
in, back to starting.
Yep, and then in, yes, perfect. How's that feel?
It feels great.
Okay. That is a little version. So do the other side. We'll catch up on the other one.
Okay.
This is if you cannot lift your neck up. If you can, and we'll alter that a little bit, but keep it going. Good. Nice. I like it. Good. Throw it all the way down.
Okay.
So now go straight legs all the way out.
Yeah.
I want you to take your hands all the way above your head.
Yeah.
And your head is going to sit on your bicep.
Okay.
This is a really good one. So you're going to place your head on your bicep.
Yeah.
And now you're just going to lift gently.
Like that.
Yep. Just like that. This is going to work up the top. If this hurts, then I want you to hold your head.
It doesn't hurt, actually.
You support your head and your neck, and you're actually elongating everything. So it's a better position than a typical crunch.
Gosh. Yeah.
Yes. And you, I know all the men out there want to get into those hollows, but this is the start of it. Isn't that feeling right?
Yeah.
So you want to go straight up and down, and now if you want to get the obliques as well, another one to do is just going to the sides.
Okay.
Same thing, same movement, just to the sides. Good, so you're going to keep the lower part of your body completely still. And these burn, so take it easy. Right? Yeah, oh, I like it. Give me one more. Good. Take it all the way down.
Right.
Good.
Perfect.
Yeah, that's the
That's
whole
it.
set right there. You could do a side plank if you want to, but that's a little bit harder on the shoulders.
Yeah, I think, honestly, I think that works.
Yes.
For me, I think that is literal. And you know, the side plank, because in yoga, I sometimes, I used to do a lot of side planks, but it is hard on the shoulder for me. So, Chrissy, that was so great. Now, I hope you feel the same way at home as I do, that you can do that. You can easily do that at home. The band, I know people are going to ask, we'll put a link. I'll put a link to the band so you can buy the band at that particular strength, whatever that one is underneath the video, so you can all get that. They're so inexpensive, and Chrissy teaches an entire 60-minute workout using those bands. And she did it on my retreat, and we were all like dripping. The ladies the next day could barely walk, which was so amazing from a band. And that's what I love about Chrissy. So she makes a workout really, low. We don't need equipment. We don't need crazy machines. We don't need to go to the gym. And as I've always said, rather than thinking all or nothing with your workout, don't. I always talk about the 1 minute rule. And the 1 minute rule is just say to yourself, I'm going to do 1 minute of abs. And I know I'm going to start doing this workout, and that 1 minute will turn into 5 minutes. So you're amazing. So I'm going to put Chrissy's details underneath the video, because Chrissy has just started a online program where you can, buy little courses, correct, of your videos. So if you want to train with Chrissy, you can. And details for all of that is underneath this video. Chrissy, thank you so much.
Thank you.
It's amazing. And if you like this video and you want to continue on this course of getting your body strong and feeling beautiful and strong and vital, particularly if you're over 50, check out some of my other videos, because we have a bunch of them in this series. And of course, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss anything.
That's true.
We'll see you next time.